Good morning, children. How are you all? I, Gunjan Tamboli, your computer teacher for second standard, and my today's topic is the keyboard and the mouse. Okay, children. Now, see, children, as we already seen in classes, lesson number 4, the keyboard and the mouse. Children, we already use keyboard in first standard. We have seen many uses of keyboard. Now in this chapter we will learn about different keys on a keyboard, okay, and mouse functions. Now children, the keyboard and computer mouse are input device, as we know. Why it is called input device? Because we have to give some instruction in the form of input. That's why we have to enter data. Okay, so with the help of keyboard and mouse we can give input. Now the function of the both the devices is different. Okay, children. Now we can see that keyboards have 104 keys, and we already learned how many letter keys on the keyboard, number keys on the keyboard, arrow key, special key. Okay, children. Now we have already discussed the longest word that can be typed using only the first row of the keyboard is typewriter. It means children, जो कीबोर्ड की फर्स्ट रो है अल्फ़ाबेट वाली QWE वाली है ना, वो रो से हम एक लॉन्गेस्ट वर्ड टाइप कर सकते हैं TYPE WRITER, टाइप राइटर. Now see children, this is the keyboard. You can see the function keys F1, F2 till F12. That is a function keys. Okay, now right side of the keyboard, top of the keyboard, see some caps lock key, scroll lock key, num lock key, then numeric keys are also there. Okay, special keys like scroll lock, delete, enter key, caps lock, these are the special keys. देन सी द लास्ट वन लेटर कीज है ना, नीचे वाली इमेज में ओनली लेटर कीज है. हैव यू सीन द लेटर कीज? देर आर 26 लेटर कीज ऑन अ कीबोर्ड. अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज you can see this keyboard. There are two shift keys on a keyboard, and see there are 10 number keys are on a keyboard 0 to 9, and each number key is having different sign or symbol. Okay children, understand? You can see the longest key on the keyboard is space bar. You can see the tab key also, enter key also. Understand children? Now symbol keys. These keys have special sign and symbols which are required at the time of typing. Okay children, when we are typing we need some question mark, full stop, less than, greater than brackets. At that time we can use symbol keys. Okay, some symbol keys are to the right of the letter keys है ना, we all know. See symbol keys, letter key है ना उसके right side में भी रहती है. Okay, and some symbol keys are on the number keys such as exclamatory, at the rate, hash mark, percentage. We can use the symbol keys by pressing the shift key along with the number key. You can see the number key 1 2 3 4 है ना, उसके ऊपर की साइन में different symbols है. We can type the symbol with the help of shift key along with particular number key. Now the function key, there are 12 functions key on a keyboard. We all know F1 to F12. Now children, shift key, again there are two shift key on a keyboard. We can use shift key with the other key for the different purpose. Means if you press and hold the shift key along with the letter key, it will type that letter in a capital even when the caps lock key is turned off. Means children, अगर caps lock key off है and if you want to type capital letter, at that time you can type your letter with the help of shift key. You can type capital letter. Okay. Now the next is, for example, if you press shift plus capital A gives capital A, but when the caps lock की is off, ओके चिल्ड्रन, शिफ्ट की के साथ आप ए प्रेस करोगे तो आंसर और आउटपुट कैपिटल ए मिलेगा। कब? जब कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ होगा। दैट वी ऑलरेडी लर्न इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। ऑल्सो शिफ्ट प्लस ए गिव स्मॉल ए व्हेन द कैप्स लॉक की इज ऑन। इसका मतलब चिल्ड्रन, जब कैप्स लॉक की ऑन होगी और आप शिफ्ट प्लस कोई भी लेटर प्रेस करोगे तो स्मॉल लेटर ही आंसर आएगा। Understand children? There are some keys on a keyboard that have two symbols or a number and a symbol on it. Okay children? To type the upper symbol, है ना, upper means children बहुत सारी ऐसी कीज है जिसके ऊपर भी एक की के ऊपर एक साइन और सिंबल है। सो टू टाइप अपर सिंबल यू नीड प्रेस एंड होल्ड द शिफ्ट की अलॉन्ग विथ पर्टिकुलर सिंबल की। ओके चिल्ड्रन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल शिफ्ट प्लस अगर आप 1 नंबर का प्रेस करोगे तो उसके ऊपर जो सिंबल है इट गिव्स एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टैब की। Now what is the use of tab key? See children, if we want to leave one letter space, we use space bar. Okay, but if we want to move several space, okay, हमें कुछ ज़्यादा स्पेसिस छोड़नी एक साथ, at that time we are using tab key. So you can press the tab key to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. Okay, caps lock key is situated above the caps lock key. Okay, now the ESCAPE escape key, the left top corner, okay, there is one escape key and it is written over there ESC. The short form of escape key is ESC. It is placed at the upper left corner in the most of the keyboard. This key allows you to cancel an operation. It means children, by default, suppose while you are working and at that moment some menu will open. Okay, कोई start menu open हो जाता है, save menu open हो जाता है. At that time you can use this escape key to cancel that menu. Okay children, understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.